today I want to tell you a story. It won't be a story about machines or numbers. It will be about something much more simple. It will be about a box. But before starting, just to tell you a couple of things about myself, I'm Bogdan Rus. And 10 years ago, I founded Cicada Technologies. We are specialized in business process automation. As it was introduced, I am also a lecturer at the Technical University of Cluj-Napoca, where I have the chance to spend time with the next generation of technology enthusiasts. And what drives me in everything that I do is to see technology bringing clarity and visibility in your daily activities. In other words, I want to see technology making work fun again. Regarding our work in Cicada Technologies, we are specialized in building custom solutions for logistics and manufacturing. And we implement the RFID technology, about which I will tell you more in a couple of slides. And we connect every object with every movement and with every process, because we strongly believe that technology should fit the way people work, not the other way around. So I promised you a story. Let's imagine a box. From the moment it's being created to the moment it leaves the gates of the factory, that box touches dozens of hands, systems, and processes. And sometimes its voice is lost. And then somebody starts searching for it through lists, Excels, talking with colleagues, or giving phone calls. And meanwhile, that box just waits. That box waits to be found, and sometimes so does the production is waiting for the box. Or maybe a client waits for that specific box. And we all know that searching consumes a lot of time. And a study of Emerson showed that up to 25% of the operational time is being used for searching for materials. This is 1 every 4 hours. We don't innovate, we just look for stuff. And we know that we talk a lot about digital transformation nowadays. But I still see a lot of cases where people are inputting data manually into their digital systems. And this doesn't bring just human errors or loss of time. You can see loss of energy and motivation in the same time. But I'm asking you, what if we could give that box a voice? What if that box could tell us where it's been, where it is right now, and where it needs to go? And what if you could be able to capture that information wirelessly from a couple of meters from that box, not needing to be near it? And this can be done with the RFID technology, which gives an actual digital voice to the devices or boxes that we use in our daily work. And for those of you who are not familiar with the technology, very briefly, I want to tell you about it. When you have the RFID technology implemented, you will find below each label an antenna and a small chip. And they together are sending a wireless signal, which is a unique ID of that product or box, through readers. And those readers are capturing the movement and sending this information to the cloud or to the data center. And from there, this information is captured by dashboards that are bringing it all together. And then you can see this information in real time. You can see actually what is happening in your factory. And when we implement such solutions as Cicada Technologies, we start by knowing that every site is unique. And that's why, in the first step, we listen, we talk with your people, we understand their processes, and then we design the solution and implement it. And it doesn't matter if you already have your ERPs, VMSs, MESs, or any other software specific to your business, because what we do is implement a software middle layer that it's interconnecting your current digital infrastructure with the RFID system. And the result is technology that adapts to people, not people adapting to it. And once you have everything running, you start seeing changes. People are not chasing data. Teams are empowered to work together, and reports practically build themselves. It's like turning on the lights in a room where you've worked in the dark for years, and now you start seeing everything clearly. And the truth is that it's not only about automation. It's about understanding what's happening into your operational flow. It's your opportunity to improve whatever it needs in your workdays. Because when you let technology take care of the manual and repetitive tasks, people start focusing on improvement, creativity, and also innovation. So let's imagine a future. Let's imagine the world where people and products and machineries are interconnected and exchange data continuously. Let's imagine a world where boxes talk to shelves, shelves talk to trucks. And then decisions are made on facts, not on assumptions. And this technology is a step towards a supply chain that is able to learn, to predict, and to adapt itself with every signal it receives. So this is the future we are building, and it's closer than you think. And because we know that every transformation starts with a single step, that's why we created Paolo, which is short from personal assistant for optimizing logistic operations. And amongst all the complex projects that we create, we created Paolo as a compact, simple RFID-based solution that you can use to see this technology at work, to sense its benefits without making any large investment. Because with Paolo, you can do a full inventory check 10 times faster than you would do it with the classic technology based on barcodes. That's why we consider that Paolo, it's an easy step for you to make in order to start the RFID journey. And if this makes sense to your business, you can take a picture of this QR code because it will take you on the website where you'll find more information about it, and you to be able to assess by yourself if it makes sense for your business. So in the end, I want to let you with only 2 questions. If every box or device in your workplace could speak, what would it say about the way you work right now? And more importantly, are you able to listen? Thank you.